Hi everyone, Luke here with the joint replacement therapist. So sticking with the recent discussion on deadlifting and the benefits of deadlifting and some different ways you can deadlift, what I wanted to share today is how to do a Romanian deadlift. So what a Romanian deadlift is essentially you're trying to get the most activation and do the most work coming from your hamstring muscles and a lot less coming from the glutes and other muscles. And so the way to do a Romanian deadlift is you're going to start in the upright position, and your feet are going to be about shoulder width apart or a little bit more, toes pointing forward or out to the side a little bit, and then you're going to allow a tiny bit of bend in the knees. We don't want to lock out the knees 100%, as that can cause some pain and unneeded stress and strain on things. So you're going to be in this position, and then all you're going to do is that hip hinge, bringing the hips back, and then coming up straight. Alright, and I'll show you from the side. Little bend in the knees, doing the hip hinge, so flexing the hips as well as